know you could earn up to $20 per answer you provide in a survey? Do you know you could earn up to $200 per hour by simply providing answers in a survey? The more answer you provide, the more money you make. If you provide 10 of these answers in an hour, you've simply made yourself cool $200.
Oh my God.
If you provide 20 and the answer's worth $10, you have made yourself cool $200.
What?
Yes, you heard me right. And the cool part, we are putting ChatGPT to work. So simply copy, paste, copy, paste. So if you are like me and you love sharing knowledge, stick around. Hit that subscribe button. I'm about to break down how this whole thing works. So what are we talking about? Well, it's a unique platform where people ask questions and you get to answer them for cash. It's actually pretty cool. Whether it's about technology, health, music, or even life advice, there's a wide range of topics to dive into. And the best part, you don't need to be a certified expert to start answering those questions. If you have some sort of knowledge or experience in a specific area, or if you've got ChatGPT downloaded on your phone or on your laptop, man, you're already ahead of the game. As you can see, whatever you click to get is the task you're going to work on, all right? This is under question and answer. You can go under ghost writing and you could see how much you could get. $88, $96, $110, $108, $45. What's stopping you from jumping on this free plan and see how much money you can get for yourself? All right. Any of these tasks has money waiting for you, okay? And this is something you can do. The good thing about this is we are going to make it easier for you to do by using ChatGPT. So when you click on get and it shows you your daily tasks under here, whatever I just completed one right away, that's for $3. If you open this task, okay, it's gonna show you the question. Pay attention. This is the question, all right? And then you want to copy this. Don't mix this part. Copy, go to ChatGPT, all right? Paste it here. And that's it. ChatGPT will just turn in answer for you. You want to copy the answer, all right? Head back to B-Wave and paste it here. This right here will not let me to paste anything. I'm just doing this as a test to show you guys. And if you see today, I'm recording this video on 3rd of January. I just created this right now to show you guys. And you come back here, boom, you will paste the answer here and you click on the submit button. As you saw, ChatGPT makes it easy. If you go to B-Wave, copy the question, head over to ChatGPT, paste it, and grab the answer, head back to B-Wave, paste, submit. That's how to go about this. And here's the kicker. For every answer you post, you get compensated $20 if it gets chosen as the best response. Plus, you can answer as many questions as you like. More answers equals more cash. Just picture it. A few hours of answering questions on topics you're passionate about, and boom, you've made an extra $100 or so in your free time. Smash that like button, share this video with your family and friends, and do not forget to turn on your bell notification if you are enjoying this video. And I have a tip for you. Stick with me, don't go anywhere yet. I've got a few tips if you are thinking of giving it a go. First, make sure your answers are thorough and well researched. The more valuable your response, the higher the chances you will get picked. Do not just answer no or yes. They already know a no, they know a yes, but they are asking for your opinion, and this entails a detailed response, well researched, thoroughly researched, and this is how you leverage ChatGPT. And do not be afraid to inject a bit of your personality into the response. You know, people love engaging with real voices. Lastly, stay consistent. The more you participate, the better your visibility on the platform becomes. So what are you waiting for? If you've got knowledge to share, go hit up B-Wave. It's an easy way to turn your expertise into cash while connecting with others. And who knows, you might just have discovered a new passion along the way. Find this video helpful? Give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more money making tips, and drop a comment below if you've tried B-Wave or if you have any questions. If you have questions about downloading ChatGPT, let me know. Tina is gonna hold your hands and we're gonna make more money. Until next time, keep hustling, stay winning, and stay awesome.